Okay, this is Open Touring Pro, AMA number 1. Marshals ready. Racers ready. Please wait for the tone.
Four. Two. Four. Two. Three. Four. Two. Three.
Race leader is Eric Marmakea. Second, Mickey Briones. Third is Carl Doctor. And fourth is Lendl Layug.
Three. Four. Two.
Oh,
Three.
And it's Mickey Briones at the race leader.
Two. 4 minutes left. 1. 4.
3 minutes and 55 seconds left.
2. 3. 1. 4. 2. 3. 1. 4. 2. 3. 1.
At first, Mickey Briones. Second, Carl
Two.
Doctor. Third is
Three.
Eric Marmakea.
One.
And fourth is Lendl Layug.
One.
Oh.
Four.
Stop!
3 minutes left.
3 minutes left.
1. 3.
And it's Eric Marmakea for the second place. Taken for
One.
Carl Doctor.
3. 1.
Still at the race leader is Mickey Briones at
4.
race lead of 1 lap.
1.
Second is Eric Marmakea. Third is Carl Doctor. And fourth is
4.
Lendl Layug.
2.
Stop!
3. 1. 2. 3. 1. 2.
2 minutes left.
2 minutes left. 2. 1. 2. 4. 2. 1. 4. 2.
Fastest lap by Mickey Briones is 7.9.
1.
M. Chelsea Intermediate,
Four.
BMA number 1, please get ready. Wally Deborah, Rain Caimo, Dennis Ventura,
One.
and Jay Ortiz. M.
Two.
Chelsea Intermediate.
1. 2. 1 minute left.
1 minute left.
1. 3. 1. 3. 1.
35 seconds left.
3. 1. 2. 3. 1. 2. 3. 1. 2. 3, 2. The race is over.
Finish your lap.
One done.
Miggy finish. Carl finish.
3 done.
Eric
2
Bermachez
done.
finish.
2.
Finishing order. At first, Miggy Briones. Second, Eric Bermachea. Third is Carl Doctor. And fourth is Lendel Layug.